Rhinoshield cases for the Google Pixel 3a XL. So I want to give a special shout out to Rhinoshield for sending these over. Let's dive in. So I have been using this Rhinoshield SolidSuit for my daily driver, the Galaxy S10 Plus, and I gotta say, I really do like this case. Provides good protection, good grip, the buttons are nice and clicky, and this one is in their carbon fiber finish, and I love it. Blends well with the black S10 Plus. So anyway, let's check it out for the Google Pixel 3a XL. As you can see, I have the purple-ish colorway here. Crashguard for the 3a XL. This one is the bumper case. This is the packaging that it comes in. Now these are samples from Rhinoshield. The final version will come out around mid-June or so. So watch out for that. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and look at these. And do I need to make an incision or does this just pull out? Pull it out! That's what she said, right? Here we go. Move these out of the way. And this is your bumper case. And on the inside, there is a honeycomb pattern to help with shock absorption if you do drop the phone. Right meow. Right meow. Did you say right meow or right meow? Or right now? Make sure you get a nice good fit. And as you can see from the back, if we really want to show off the colorway of your Google Pixel 3a XL, like this purple-ish color, or the white one, or the black one, consider this case. Very nice. And up front, case blends in perfectly with the black front of the Pixel. And then cut out for your lanyard right there. Check out the cutouts on the bottom. Nice and precise. Take a look for yourself. And then here's the volume rocker power button. Rhinoshield branding, like I said. Cut out for the headphone jack and the microphone. Take a look for yourself. This feels really good in the hand. Now also the final version will have a bit more texture on the sides. This one is a little bit smooth. The final version will have a little bit more texture for improved grip. So no worries on that front. Let's check out the buttons. Woo! This button is nice and hella clicky. Very nice. And then obviously the fingerprint is wide open, so that works 100% of the time. And let's check out the volume rocker. The volume rocker is clicky AF. If you like yourself some clicky buttons, no issues with that on this bumper case. So we have a front lip and also a rear lip. In case you do drop the phone, it should not make contact with the flat surface. Boom. And boom. All right, so this is the Crashguard from Rhinoshield for the Pixel 3a XL. If you want to show off your phone and at the same time provide some drop protection all the way around, consider this case from Rhinoshield. All right, let's check out the SolidSuit cases now. Here's the SolidSuit for the Pixel 3a XL. And before I forget, I do also have the buttons for these cases. Rhinoshield was kind enough to send me these also. So we'll check this out later in the video. And before I forget, on the Crashguard, as you can see, 11 foot of drop protection, certified military grade. Forgot to mention that. Same thing on the Crash or on the SolidSuit, 11 plus feet of protection, military grade, etc. This is the packaging, SolidSuit, Pixel 3a XL, and then read the back for yourself, pause the video, and these are samples, just like previously. So let's have a look on this one. Put that to the side, and then we'll get rid of this plastic. Woo! Put that to the side as well. And this is the case. Take a look around. Now on the inside, there's this honeycomb pattern to help with the shock if you do drop the phone. Now, this is glossy. On the final version, it will be a matte finish, so it'll look a little bit better. On the bottom, on the inside here, there's some Rhinoshield branding and developed in Cambridge, United Kingdom, made in Taiwan, etc. Right there. Let's go ahead and put the Pixel and we'll have a look. The phone snaps right in and right away, ooh, I don't know. This is like a sample version, beta version, but this feels really good, nice and grippy. Wow. So if the final version will have a grippier material, man, that one must be really grippy because this feels pretty good. Wow, nice. Okay, let's take a look at it. Cutout for your camera and flash, nice and big. Fingerprint scanner cutout, which should work. As you can see, no issues with the scanner. Power button, like the Crashguard, nice and hella clicky. And then we'll go check out the rocker. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is a clicky AF button. Very nice. We'll take a look at the cutouts. Take a look for yourself. Volume rocker, power, Rhinoshield branding there. On top, cutout for the headphone jack and the microphone. Nice and precise. And then the lanyard cutout here. I do like how this case mimics the design of the Pixel with the design right here. Love that extra touch. And then we'll take a look at the front lip. It does go over the glass of the phone. So if you do drop this phone like this, should not have any issues. And overall, this phone feels really good. Nice and simple black case here with a little bit of a design. Mimics the design of the Pixel 3a XL. Nice. I dig it. I dig it. Cool. All right, now let's check out the carbon fiber SolidSuit. SolidSuit, Google Pixel 3a XL, 11-foot drop protection, etc. Same thing as before. The back, same thing. This is a sample from Rhinoshield. Now this one is their carbon fiber pattern. Put the packaging to the side and then we'll remove that. Woo! Put that to the side also. And this is the carbon one. As you can see, you get the light to hit it. You can see the carbon on the bottom 2/3 of the case, similar to the design of the actual phone itself. I do like that. Inside, honeycomb pattern, which will be a matte finish on the final version. Rhinoshield branding on the inside. Same thing as previously. We'll go ahead and put the 3A XL in and we'll have a look. And then, ooh, this already feels nice and grippy. Wow. I gotta give Rhinoshield credit. This feels really good to hold. Big cutout for your camera and flash. Fingerprint scanner, which we'll test, should work 100% of the time. And it does. No issues with that. And then the power button. Man, that is a clicky AF button. I love me a case with clicky buttons. And then the volume rocker. I don't know if you can hear that. The click, 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 click. Hella clicky. Very nice. Bottom cutouts. Have a look for yourself. Ports are easily accessible. Charge your phone, no issues. Rhinoshield branding. Have a look. On top, headphone jack. Nice to see in 2019. Like I said, and then the cutout for your microphone. This is clean, lanyard cutout. And then up front, we'll take a look at the front lip. You drop it flat on its front, on a flat surface. Should not be a problem. Wow, I am digging this case. Let's just have another look with the phone installed. Let the light hit it, certain angle, etc. Yeah, this looks pretty good back here with the carbon fiber. Mimics the design of the actual device. Great job, Rhinoshield. I dig it. All right, so let's go ahead and check out these buttons for the case. Now, I haven't actually done this before, so let me go ahead and figure this out. Give me a minute. All right, so I was fiddling with it off camera, and the installation is straightforward. Take a look right here. Pause the video if you want to read the instructions, but essentially all you have to do is to remove the button from this case. Just gotta just push it through the case this way to remove it. Now be careful because when you do this, your button can just go flying and then you might lose it forever, right? So just be careful of that, and there you go. Just kind of push the button through the case, and then see, here's the button right here. You see that? So I'm gonna put that one to the side, make sure I don't lose it. Now in their packaging, you have all kinds of different colors. So you have yellow, green, white, orange, red, and a replacement black one. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick red, just because black and red, pretty cool combination. So to install the case, to install the button, it's just the reverse of removal. You're gonna take this and push it from the inside of the case forward. All right, so, and before I put it in, if you look at the actual button, the top half is the color, in this case red or whatever color, right? And then on the bottom, the side that's inside of the case is clear. So that's how you know which end is which. To install it, you just have to push it in from the inside. So I'm gonna try to do this in frame. So you just have to drop it in and then just push it in the hole. Push it in the hole, that's what she said. And there you go. Button is installed, and then let's take a look at it from the inside, so you can see. And then from the outside, whoa, look at that. Gives a nice contrast between the case and the button. A little bit of color, a little bit of flare, very nice. Black and red with the carbon back here. This looks dope. Okay, let's go ahead and put the phone in. We'll check out the functionality of the power button. All right, now with the phone installed and a colored button, this is how it's gonna look like. If you're looking at your phone this way, and then from the back, it's gonna look like that. All right, and then let's go ahead and check out the functionality of the button. Nice and hella clicky. I love it. And then this button is not gonna come off or anything, so don't worry about that. It's not just gonna fly off, all right? It's gonna stay on there, and it works as it should. Nice and clicky. I don't know if you can hear that. Nice and clicky. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna install the other colors so you can see how it looks like. So let me do that right meow. All right, I installed the white button. So if you have the white Pixel 3a, all right, you can see the white through the cutouts here on the back, and then you have the white button. Matches very nicely, and also matches the white on the cutout here on the USB Type-C. And see, where else is there white? Yeah, the headphone jack. So you can see the white color of the phone. White, 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 and then you put on the white button, you're gonna have this contrast going on. So this looks pretty good actually. Click test, yeah, button works 100%, no issues. Okay, next color. All right, now this one is their blue or navy blue button. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but that's the blue one, as you can see. So adds a little bit of color to the case, nothing too flashy. This might be good if you have like the black Pixel, just to add a little bit of color right there. That's how it looks like. And then we'll press the button, works as it should, nice and clicky. Okay, this is the green button for the case. So have a look right there so you can see how it's gonna look like with the phone installed. And if you have the white Pixel, it's gonna look like that from this angle, etc. Provides a little bit of color, a little touch of fun, right? A little bit of a contrast. And then we'll press the button, nice and clicky, works as it should, very nice. Okay, this is it's not orange, I wanna say it's like a salmon kind of color here on the button, so you can see. All right, so it looks like that with the phone installed. From the back, this angle looks like that with the white Pixel, so you can see. Provides a nice contrast, very nice. We'll click the button, nice and clicky, works as it should. Install the yellow button and have a look for yourself. Nice contrast between the black case and the yellow, very nice. This is how it's gonna look like on the phone. If you have the white Pixel 3a XL from this angle, have a look. Looks good, very nice. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna leave the yellow button on. This looks pretty good. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about these cases for the Pixel 3a XL. If you're interested in these cases, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description down below. And these are samples from Rhinoshield. The final versions should be out around mid-June. And then also, I am also rocking a Rhinoshield for my Galaxy S10 Plus. So I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for the S10 also, if you're interested in that. Thanks for watching. Peace out.